Hi everyone and welcome to the latest demo. In this video we will review how to integrate GitOps concept using Ionir data as code features and ArgoCD. Let's get started. This is the Ionir Dashboard, and as we can see we have an application already deployed with two persistent volumes for Postgres workloads on the BOA prod namespace. Let's switch to the ArgoCD UI to examine the application. Clicking on the BOA prod application, we can see the entire application architecture and the resources, including the Postgres stateful sets. This application is based on the GitHub Project, which contains a few YAML files describing the deployment in the main branch. This project can be found on the Ionir GitHub Project. Now let's go to the IP address of the load balancer service to log into the application's frontend. We can see the frontend pod. Now let's log in and make some changes to the data. Adding a deposit transaction, and we can see the change in the transaction history which retrieved from the Postgres DB. Now let's go back to the GitHub project, and as we can see we have a branch called BOA dev, which represents the new version of the same application we already have deployed. Going back to the ArgoCD UI, we can now create a new application using the new BOA dev branch code to a new namespace. This will create a new namespace and clone the data from the production environment. We are done. Now let's sync the application to our Kubernetes cluster, and we can see the resources are being deployed and our new load balancer service is ready. Great, now let's log into the new BOA dev frontend service. We can see the pod is different from the production environment and all the recent changes are existing. Now we can make sure that the application is stable and run some more tests before moving to production. On the Ionir dashboard, we can see now we have two additional volumes on the BOA dev namespace used by newly deployed Postgres stateful sets. This concludes our demo. We went through using GitOps concepts with data in a simple and easy way using Ionir Data Platform. Versioning and rollback of data is just as simple as applications with Ionir Data Platform. Thank you and see you on the next demo.